Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Monday, July 7, 2025. Opening brief. Yo, what's crackin' fam? It's your girl Rattles, the hood's Oprah, Wendy, and Maury all rolled into one thick little travel diva. The fourth is over but the mess ain't. I got the hottest, dumbest, most WTF is this travel news to drag y'all into the week. Grab your popcorn boo. First brief. Passenger caught deep frying chicken mid-flight with portable air fryer. On a Frontier flight from Dallas to Phoenix, a woman pulled out a mini air fryer from her oversized tote, plugged it in under her seat, and started cooking wings, mid-flight. Cabin filled with the smell of garlic parmesan. Crew told her she couldn't cook on board. She replied, "But y'all don't serve nothing edible so." "Nah baby, not air frying thighs in 8A. I know Delta got Biscoffs, but this woman said fried chicken or fight me." I bet she even had hot sauce in her carry-on. Honestly, I respect it. Second brief. Man caught showering in train restroom using full bottle of herbal essences. On an Amtrak ride from Chicago to Detroit, a man was caught lathering up like he was in a Holiday Inn. Soap, shampoo, and even a loofah. Said he was headed to a family reunion and wasn't pulling up musty. Listen, I'd rather sit next to a man dripping Pantene than one smelling like boiled socks. But not the loofah and a wash rag combo. Bro had 2-pass cleansing technology on the tracks. Third brief. Carnival Cruise guests host bikini cook-off on lifeboat deck. A group of guests on a cruise from Miami to the Bahamas started a bikini and BBQ competition using battery-powered grills on the lifeboat deck. Security shut it down after someone lit fireworks during the mac and cheese round. Ain't no way you're grilling on the escape boats. Carnival said, in case of emergency, grab a burger and a sparkler. Sis threw down in a 2-piece with heels on, I ain't mad at it. Wildcard brief. Family hosts, all-white linen, party inside airport gate after flight gets cancelled. At Baltimore-Washington Airport, a family had their flight cancelled last minute. Instead of complaining, they decided to throw their annual, all-white linen party, right at the gate. Full DJ set up on Bluetooth speaker, white linen tablecloth spread over chairs, catered soul food plates, and even brought battery-powered string lights. Other stranded passengers joined in and turned Gate B12 into a full-fledged party. TSA was called, but ended up grabbing plates and chilling. One agent reportedly said, "Honestly, I was hungry anyway. Now this how black folks turn lemons into lemonade, Henny and wings." Flight got cancelled, and they said, "Bet. Party right here at Gate B12. Had them plastic airport chairs looking like a VIP section at Essence Fest. I'm talking macaroni and cheese hittin', potato salad blessed by Auntie's prayers, and somebody's uncle out here two-steppin' in white linen pants with creases sharp enough to slice bread." TSA pulled up like they gone, shut it down, but instead started grabbing plates in hand. Baby, you know the food slapping when even security ain't enforcing security. They turned Southwest Airlines into Soul Train Airlines, and I'm not mad at it. If the airline messes up your plans, throw a soul food cookout at the gate with hot sauce. Travel tip of the day. If you gotta cook during your flight, make sure the battery on that air fryer lasts longer than your patience. Fourth brief. Guy rents Lamborghini in Miami, drives straight into hotel lobby trying to valet himself. He thought it was push to park. Valet ran. "Sir, this ain't Mario Kart. If you don't know how to drive that Lambo, take it back and get a Kia like the rest of us. Room service ain't got airbags." Fifth brief. Woman tries to sneak her kid's blow-up pool toy as carry-on. Fully inflated. Security in Orlando told her, "Ma'am, we can't fit that on the plane." She said, "You're gonna make it fit, I paid for leg room." She tried to roll up with a flamingo flower tie like she bought in Noah's Arkansas girl. The only flowatin you doing is in that baggage fee overdraft. Sixth brief. Family turns motel balcony into hookah lounge during summer vacation. Hotel guests in Myrtle Beach turned their second-floor balcony into a smoke lounge with LED lights, folding chairs, and 3 hookahs. They turned Red Roof Inn into Club Flamingo. I saw Auntie doing the cha-cha in a bonnet with a margarita. Why pay for resort fees when you bring the resort? Closing brief. If you're trying to travel without TSA yanking your hot plate or security catching you mid-shower, book smart at breathtakinglagoon.com. That's it from your favorite ghetto globetrotter. Don't fry no chicken on no plane, keep your floaties deflated till you touch down, and please stop grilling on lifeboats. Rattles out.